So, this is part 2 of plane spotting at this national airport. There it goes, going bye-bye. And look, the sun's setting. So, let's get back to the video. Short. So, the plane's getting loaded and it prepared for takeoff. You remember the FedEx plane? Yeah, this is my favorite livery so far. And Delta Airlines as well. And to me, I just a plane fan, so that's why I'm here. The engine went out. What does that mean? Oh man, it's not gonna go out. Wow, that was just a so sad thing. The engine just went out. I can't do that. I'm just a plane. Actually, I'm just human. I just can't do it. That's why I just like perfect thumbnail. I don't know why. Okay, this is the plane drive-by. This is a perfect part. Yeah, this is gonna be the perfect part. I need to put on my seatbelt. But anyways, this is about 17 close-up Delta Airlines. Wow. Well, that's a perfect one. Go to American Eagle. Guys, here comes the American Eagles. There's an airplane about to land. Okay. There's a plane about to land. I don't know why though. It's departing again.